a 128-bit of size. So like this you can test that integer sizes by default is I32, but you can give whatever you want. If you want to initialize one more variable, like I say lat and I say num p means positive value, not negative, and here I say u32, and suppose I say here negative value, I store negative value here, and then I try to display this value num p here and save this, and you will see that I run it and you have an error. Error is why? Because cannot apply unary operator minus. Remember that, because the variable declaration is unsigned 32, but you are passing a signed value, so it's not possible. Remember that Rust is a very strict on this. It's a type safe language, memory efficient language. Memory safety is there, type safety is there. It's a very crucial language. It check all the error at compile time, so you can't initialize the negative value if you declare it as a positive, but you can do like this in C and other languages, but you can't do in Rust. Remember that. So you have to convert this into the positive value, then you can compile it, otherwise it will generate error. You see, similarly you may have other data type also, but we have learned now integer type. You can do this, you can check yourself other data types also, I have explained you. Then we have the other declaration of this decimal value. You can declare like this. If you want to declare hexadecimal value, then you have to use 0x, then it will convert into hexadecimal. If you put O in the beginning, 0O, then it will belong to octa. If you write 0B, then it will convert to binary. Remember, and then you have this like this. If you are using byte, so we have a U8 only for byte declaration, and you have to write B here, and then you have to put the value of this. So like this way you can declare your variables of hexadecimal, octal, binary type. You test yourself, because I am not going in detail of this, but you have the knowledge that in Rust language we have a different way to declare the variables that is not available in other languages also. Now we go to for floating value. There are two types of floating value supported in Rust, F32 and F64. By default is 64. So here if I say fnum1 floating value, and if I declare it like this, and I display this value again, so I say value of fnum here, and I put fnum like this, and you will see that on it by default size local variable similar to